Alright, so welcome back, lovely people. This is the third episode of Windows Server Administration. Up till now, what we have done is deployment of virtual infrastructure, a deployment of Windows Server 2016, and we have also given you the details what should we consider while installing 2016. Apart from that, so what is the basic difference in server and client infrastructure? We have understood that. Now, for this particular episode, what we are going to understand is how a server actually works. So before we go for understanding how a server actually works, so as I've told you earlier, a server could be working as a file server, an email server, Active Directory server, a domain server, anything. And what is a server? You all know now that a server is a computer or a machine that provides services. It could be a Windows machine, it could be Windows Server 2016, 2012, 2019, it could be your Linux based operating system, which could be your web server, which could be your file server, any particular server operating system. Now, while talking about a Windows Server infrastructure with Windows Server 2016 specifically, we have a management console in Windows Server 2016, which is called as Server Manager, as you can see in the screenshot. So this Server Manager gives you the options to add or remove roles, manage servers that are connected over network or the local one, and also the tools for the features or roles that you have already installed or that are available inbuilt in the Windows operating system. And this particular server manager helps you to maintain the roles and features provided by the Windows servers, also helps you to install new roles and new functionalities for Windows servers. This can be accessed via physical access, like a physical console, or through an RDP session. Now, when we talk about roles and features, so basically whenever server works as a particular web server or a file server that is performing its role, related to that particular role there are multiple features. For example, I have shown you there is a role that is called web server IIS, and once I select this web server IIS, I get the options to select its supporting features. So here it is. This is the web server IIS. If you select it down in the server manager, it will give you the options to install features related to that particular role. This can also be checked via command prompt. The command is simple: get-windows feature. You can also check for the roles that are already installed by using get-windows feature, where object install state is equal to installed. So as you have seen that these roles can be installed both from the GUI, that is the server manager, and also from using the commands from PowerShell. So let's move on to the virtual machine that we have lately hosted and check some commands to get the features and also try to install any of the feature that is currently not installed. So let me quickly switch to my VirtualBox. Yeah, here it is. Power on the machine. Okay, it's powering on. You can do all those things that you do for a regular machine when it boots up. Alright, our system has booted now. It will load up the console for us to access. Let me send a Control-Alt-Delete command. Yep, here we are. We have logged in successfully. Here we are in the command prompt mode. We quickly need to switch to the PowerShell mode to run those commandlets. Alright, it's successfully loaded. Now we need to enter in the command get-windows feature. Okay, I've got some updates for my system. That's great. You should always install the latest updates on your machine just to stay secure and get most of the bugs off and the features on. Here we go. Get-windows feature. Let's see. A lot of data came in, so you can scroll up and down and see what all roles and features are available. Now as you can see, under remote server administration I have a lot of features, or I would say roles available, really a lot. So these are all the roles and features that are currently available on my machines to be installed. The primary one, as you can see, the first level are the roles and their respective features. So if I want to install something, I would have gone for Active Directory domains and services. Let me try if I can do that. So I need to select this over here, press and enter. Let's come back. It was install -Windows feature. Give me the name -name, enter. So it would collect some data, and once it does, we'll come back. Alright, it has started the installation. Let's quickly get this over with. Don't tell me that I need to have some prerequisites to be done, because it's a simple installation of a role. It will not work definitely because the requirements or the prerequisites have not been done yet, like a normal patching, a normal IP configuration. It has not been done yet. It's a simple a demo to show you that how we install Windows features and how we actually go through and mention those features that needs to be installed. In the next video, I'll be showing you how actually we configure the Windows Server 2016 with proper hostname, IP configuration, and other details for it to be ready, because we need to do all those patching stuff. We need to make sure the services are running fine. We need to make sure that IP configuration is correct for it to run. I'll get back with another video. Stay tuned, follow, like, subscribe. Bye bye.